young Nesh, daddy Nesh, fleekedbynesh, whatever you want to call me, Nesh. And I'm back again with another tutorial, man. You already know what's good, Slim. If you want to see how I achieved this look and how to get your eyeshadow like pigmented, like, you know, I tell you the tea, like the good tea, like the good tea, not that bitter tea. No. I tell you the tea on how to get your eyeshadow popping, pigmented, and all of that. And it's so simple. Follow me. Follow me. I got you, sis or bro. Whatever you want to be called, I got you. Just believe in me. And continue watching this video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe at the end of the video. I'm gonna remind you again. But like, I just want you to know in the beginning, don't forget. And like, talk to me on my socials too. Like, we could be besties. But if you want to see how I got this look, just, you know, keep watching. Alright, y'all, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're literally gonna imagine that my face is split down the middle, okay? And I'm going to conceal this eye. You know, do a little, show y'all how to make that color pop, like really pop, like a poppin' bid. Like you could really be her or him or whoever you want to be. You could be poppin' though. And then this eye, I'm just gonna prime with some face primer because I don't even have eyeshadow primer. But I'm gonna show y'all how to make that color really just literally pop out at you, and like people gonna be looking, they're gonna be like, dang, I see every freaking color that you use. That like, that's, but it's still gonna be blended, but like they're gonna be shook, boo, shook. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take the shade Toffee and use it on this side as my base. And I'm going to take a brush that's pretty dense. It's by Sonia, you know, yeah. It's in one of her little sets. This one says blend, and I'm just gonna use this to blend out that concealer. Just using patting motions to blend out this concealer. I'm not swiping. All you see is me patting. And that's that eye. Then for this eye, we're gonna take the Makeup Forever Step 1 mattifying primer to just put some kind of coat, you know, just so you can see the difference in how to actually make your eyeshadow pop, you know. But we're gonna pretend like this is an eyeshadow primer, okay? And for the part that I use concealer on, I'm not gonna set it with anything because if you set it, it's not gonna be as popping as you want it to be. But you know, it's still gonna pop. The palette I'm going to go into is the Morphe 35B. And I'm going to be using 2 of the same brushes for 2 of my different eyes. So you see that it's not like carrying over, and it's an eyeshadow brush. I got it off Amazon. If you wanna know where, I can put the link or whatever. The first color I'm gonna go into is this poppin' green right here. You know, I put that kind of right below my eyebrow and pat it in at the same time while also still keeping that windshield wiper movement plus the circular motions. Alright, now that that eye's done, I'm gonna go into another brush by that same set, and I'm gonna dig into this green for this eye. And I'm doing the same exact motions, movements that I was doing with this eye. Wow, you can already see a difference. This is why, you know, I'm teaching you this. Like, I promise. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending eye brushes, and I'm going to go into this pretty blue right here. Insert that kind of beneath the green. Still on top a little bit, and beneath. It's in my crease. I'm gonna pat that on first, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And the windshield wiper motions and the circular motions. More so the circular, so these two colors. Wow. Okay. Now we're gonna go in this eye with the same shade of blue and the same brush, but a different brush. After we get done blending and packing these colors on, I'm going to go into some concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to make a crescent moon crease. Take an angled brush. And I'm literally just outlining the shape of my eye. Okay, so obviously y'all can tell a big difference in you know, what's pigmented and what's not. So can I just show y'all this eye look and get, you know, and y'all just trust me on that this is gonna be extra pigmented and y'all gonna be able to see this, so I don't have to, you know, yeah, because I feel like this eye look gonna be bomb. And I just want to go ahead and just record it and show y'all how to do it. So, you know, I'm going to erase this eye and we're going to catch up to this eye, okay? I'm going to be right back. Alright, I'm back. And we about to get lit in this joint. I'm so excited because, like, I don't even know what look I'm about to do. But I feel like it's going to be popping. Let's get started. Alright, and I'm going to take another e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to go into this beautiful like magenta type shade, you know? And I'm just going to put this on the outer, like, I'm going to just show y'all. So I'm just going to pack it on here. Does anybody else have a problem with literally closing your eye while you're doing your eye makeup? Because literally I'll keep my eye open trying to get something where I know I need my eyes closed, but I'm literally like trying to look at this. I don't. And then once I've secured the bag, then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna dip into this beautiful yellow. It's like a sunshine yellow. Just gonna put that in that center right there. It's a very like festive look. I didn't even know what I was doing before I started recording, so there's that. Then I'm gonna go back into this pink, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges so they're not as like harsh. Thank God, is how we get this face. And I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. Alright, and my face is all done. So I'm gonna go back into my Morphe 35B palette to finish this face. And I'm going to take that pink brush and take this pink color and go under the eye. And I'm gonna stop right where the pink up here, and so this pink down here will meet. And then I'm going to take the yellow, the brush that I just used for the yellow, and I'm gonna add that down here. I'm gonna take the brush for the blue, and I'm gonna kind of elongate that a little down here just to connect it. I'm gonna take the green brush finally and just kind of, you know, touch it up a little bit so it shows it, pops out. Let's see. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and it's in black, and I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner. I'm going to take a purple eyeliner, and it's by Cargo Cosmetics, and it's part of the Swimmables collection, and the color Karen Beach. Looks like this, and it is waterproof. I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. Then after all that, I'm gonna go back into my Morphe 35B palette and take this concealer brush by e.l.f. Has a nice, it's like really small bristles. It's really small. And I'm gonna go into this shimmery yellow. I'm gonna apply that into my corner ducts. Alright, so I'm a little tiny bit extra, and I kind of want to be just, you know, I'm already here, so why not go like 2 steps further? So I'm gonna go in with my NYX white liquid liner, and I'm just gonna, you know, just kind of accessorize my eye a little bit. I'm just gonna add Then I'm going to go in with some mascara. This one's also by Cargo Cosmetics, and it's called the Boundless Lash Mascara. After my mascara is on, I'm gonna add some lashes. These lashes are the Ardell. They're the Wispy multi-pack lashes. After applying my lashes, we on to the second to last step of making this whole joint just pop, like pop. Alright? Is he ready? I don't think he's ready, so I'm gonna wait. Alright, you ready, okay. So I'm gonna take my ABH number 23 brush, you know, highlighting brush, and I'm gonna spray that joint with some Evian, I don't remember how my mom pronounced it. She told me about it. She know they water, yeah. But I'm gonna just spray my brush lightly, you know, so I can get that highlight on fleek. You already know. And I'm gonna take my, well, Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter. Here's the mirror side of it, but it kind of broke. Like the whole junk come out, but like it's still my baby, and you know I still use it. Hear me? Do you see me? I know you see me, like sweetie, hunty, baby cakes, cause I know you see me. I know you do. Hey. Hey. Who are you to judge me for being this bomb right now? You're nobody to me. Wow. Like, wow. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm sorry, hello? Who are you? Look up. Bye. You're nobody compared to me right now. Like you're literally like a peasant. If your highlighter is not this poppin', you're a peasant to me right now. I'm sorry. No, that's absurd. And now to our final step. We're gonna go in with a little lipstick, okay? But first, because I'm using a matte lipstick, I'm going to take my moisturizer for my lips. This is by Vaseline. It's Lip Therapy. It's Advanced Healing. It's you know, it's very good. It says it deeply moisturizes to protect chapped, dry lips, and it's a skin protector. Sponsor me. It's like, nah. Now I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. It's by, I think this says RK by Kiss. I got it from the beauty supply store. It looks like this. It's in the shade Plum Wine. And that's a wrap. That's how I got this makeup look. I hope you guys guys have enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? If you want to see more of me and like just me in general, you could go ahead and do that. Or you could follow my socials, or like, you know, talk to me if you want to talk to me. And don't forget, anything unrelated to elephants is irrelevant AF.